Vlog life, Fadiah Qisthina. Oh yeah! Guys, we are in Washington Rock Park. So currently it's raining, so you can see we are using umbrella there. But fortunately this EOSRP is weather sealed. That's fine with this drizzling rain. Doesn't matter.
Why?
I'm using the umbrella here from IKEA. Yellow and blue.
Livy's favorite color, Mom.
Oh yeah, orange and blue, right? Blue.
Is that orange? It's like orange. But that's getting windy.
This is the view from the park, like the horizon. We can go down there. I have some kind of condition where if it is raining, like only drizzling, my head will be so much pain after some time, so it's better just wait here under the tree. Anin. So guys, the rain is getting even more. We decided to just get back to the car and sit here for a while. Maybe we can see the view from here, from the car. So this is the park, Washington Rock State Park, State of New Jersey, Department of Environmental Protection, maintaining by the Somerset County Park Commission. Actually, if it is sunny, the view, the horizon, we can see it nicely with the sun like that. Not so foggy like right now. It's so foggy right now. So I think we are going home right now.